everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Glamour Has No Age. Today we're just gonna do a quick little get ready with me with my new Colourpop All Things Equinox palette. I got this at Ulta. Currently they have it for half off. And it's kind of like taupees and purples, which I thought was pretty. So I'm going to start off with my outer corner. This small brush from Morphe. I'm going to go into Nebula. So far the quality's not bad. Then I'm gonna go into Stella right here with this brush. There's a lot of kick up. Now that I have that blended out, I'm gonna take my little shader brush, which I like from Morphe, the M124, and I'm gonna go into this Moonrise shadow right here. My mascara and put on some mascara. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my lipstick, which is Orchid from Becca Ultimate Love. That's my look. I think going forward, these are getting kind of boring because I'm not reviewing the product properly. So bear with me. I'm gonna try to go through and get better at it, do swatches, try to talk more about what's in the palette, like as far as shimmers, about what's in it. And I think I'm gonna try to do 3 looks along with it. It may take me 3 separate days to do it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, to make it at least a little bit more interesting, because I'm sure, like, I've noticed the views on my videos and they're not up there. I think Charlotte Tilbury does better on my channel than anything else. So with that being said, if you like videos like this, please think about sticking around and subscribing. Hit the like button. It helps me get noticed by other people through the algorithm. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.